10 inches tall or 26 centimeters. 5.5 inches or 14 centimeters in diameter. So this is guides. If you have 4 eggs, you fill up to that line, 3, 2, and 1, and so forth. So this will make half-boiled eggs. If you put more water, obviously you get hard-boiled eggs. This is just like a, I don't know, a stand, so the egg doesn't touch water when it's at the bottom. And water will slowly drip through that hole into the bottom container. So this one was bought in Malaysia for, depends on where you go, or which night market you go, and how good your bargaining skills are. Anywhere from 30 ringgit down to 15 ringgit, which is about, I think 5 US to 3 US dollars, or 10 to about 6 Australian dollars. Boil some water. Got my eggs from Ali. Alright, I'm gonna try the recommendation. Let's try to do 4 lines because I know it's not going to be half boiled. Let's do 2 lines. Okay, actually, let's just do 2 lines. So that's the recommended line. Put the lid on and wait till it drips down. It's actually not dripping, it's like very fast. The flow sounds very fast. Okay, we just have to wait till it drains completely. Well, it is still draining. I think it's been like 4 minutes already. Anyways, I got my light soy sauce. This is my favorite brand, PRB. Bowl for the eggs and a plate for my toast. Careful, very hot here, and because just like double wall, so you don't feel it warm here. So it's safe to throw the water away when you're done. 10 minutes later. Alright, that probably took about 50 minutes. So that's one timing. Ooh, warm. Alright, let's see what kind of egg we get. I think it's more than half. Okay, so if you want your eggs more like water, more watery, I guess you have to put less than the recommended line. But this one, it's more. I guess it's. Let's try the other one. Okay. Okay, now just add a bit of soy sauce. Okay. And this is how I eat my toast. Get a bit, put it in here. Yikes. And put it to my mouth. Mmm. Yummy. Let's just see the water in here. Oh, still warm. Alright, and that's that. Egg cooker from Malaysia. Half boiled egg cooker or hard boil. Just depends how much water, your level of water you put. And thanks for watching.